In this video, we're talking about Pisces and what are their sexual preferences when it comes to zodiac signs. That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, I almost bust my tail. My name is Johann, and on this channel, you'll find some helpful tips and strategy videos to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because I almost tripped on myself with this cord standing in front of me, and that would not be funny because I was about to get a head concussion. When you pair with Aries, there's little to no peace with this pair at all. Aries stand for instinctive sex, while Pisces stand for the orgasms without the art. When paired with Tauruses, this pair is all about the please. Tauruses have that creative, inspiring sex. Pisces could definitely get lost in their sexual experiences. The sex will be bomb. When paired with Gemini, now even though Gemini can be very creative, it is going to be very difficult to express it to Pisces. Geminis aren't in the search of finding that one special person while Pisces, they just want to have sex for the frig of it. Just want to go and feel something. When paired with Cancer, this pair can make romantic love with each other. Pisces can be very kinky, but if you know how to ease into Cancer's heart, it'll be worth it and worthwhile. Patience is the key word. When paired with Leo, you want your relationship to flop? Well, not your relationship, I'm sorry. You want your sex life to flop? This is the pair for you. Got it? Good. When paired with Virgo, this is probably one of the best pairs for Pisces. Virgos tend to be very shy, but Pisces know how to curve around that. It may not be mind-blowing sex, but the passion is there. And we all know what happens when passion is in sex. That is the main reason we have sex, is because of the passion. Not because of the feeling. Well, feeling is passion, right? Figured I said that. When paired with Libra, Libra wants someone that is strong, passionate, and confident. Pisces wants someone that is gentle, aware of their emotions, and passionate. It can work, or not. When paired with Scorpios, understanding is a requirement if you want to make this pair work out. And because Pisces love that sexual awareness, it can make Scorpios go like, yo, what the fuck? Understanding is a must for this pair. Understanding is a must. When paired with Sagittarius, even though this is actually a good pair, when it comes to sex is the complete opposite. Overthinking and expectations will be their downfall. When paired with Capricorn, this is the best pair for sex. One being very strict and rational, the other one being very emotional and confident. The longer they stay together, the stronger the stability, trust, and emotional excitement it would be. When paired with Aquarius, when it comes to this pair, sex can be actually amazing. However, there is one thing you need to look out for. It all depends if Aquarius show their deep emotions. This would allow Pisces to naturally flow in with theirs. When paired with another Pisces, two Pisces in a relationship, it can work out. However, things can get very platonic and flat if there's no touch and stability involved. But don't get that twisted. Once you get past that and you show the initiative through touch and emotion, it'll be worth it. It can work out. I'm not a professional. Hope you guys know that. I'm just bringing you the facts. I'm too hyper, yo. I had some peach soda. I'm feeling really hyper right now, and I just want to knock out the rest of these videos. So let's go. Check out these videos in the link description, player. Or if you're not a player, then viewer. Check out the link in the description, viewer. Yeah. Let me shut up.